Today is April 14th and it's time for another market update for Lakewood Ranch. So in today's video, I'm going to give you the facts and figures for what's going on here in the market in Lakewood Ranch so far this year in 2023. So if that's of interest, stick around. I got all the details coming right up. Hello, it's MarkBoehmig, Michael Saunders and Company, and in this channel, Living in Lakewood Ranch, we cover all the areas around Lakewood Ranch from Sarasota up to Bradenton and from Anna Maria to Island down to Siesta Key. If you get value, just click that little subscribe button, ding that little bell. Every time we put on a new video, you'll be notified. So in today's market update, we're continuing to see a very stable market here, and it is still a seller's market from a perspective of buyers and sellers due to our low inventory levels. Now, the new construction market is still remaining pretty stable as well, although we are seeing a lot more homes in the new construction area offering incentives towards upgrades, those types of things, towards closing costs. So let me give you some facts and figures, because that's what I like to do, is to give you actual facts and figures as what's going on here in the market. So at the end of March, we actually had 259 properties on the market for sale, and that's up from 250 from the month previous. So our inventory is growing a little bit. The number of pending homes was 145, and we actually had 98 sales for the Lakewood Ranch area. Now, most of that is going to be resales. There is going to be some new construction thrown into that, but a majority of that is going to be resale. Average price per square foot is still remaining relatively stable. It was $383 a square foot for March, and then the previous month of February it was $372 per square foot. So our price per square foot is remaining relatively stable. However, our days on market is 55, so that's still a little bit higher than what we've been experiencing during the pandemic time frame. The month before it was 57 days on market, but our list price to sell price ratio did fall a little bit, down to 92%. So that tells you that because we have more inventory, buyers have more things to choose from, so our list price to sell price dropped just a little bit. Now, what about our average sale price? So I want to give a shout out to Chris. He made a good point on last month's market report. What about the median price instead of the average sale price? Because he is correct. When you have a lot of homes that sell and then you have a few that are higher priced, expensive homes, that does tend to push the average sale price up. So Chris, good point there. Thank you for making that observation. So we're now going to start including the median price. So if you line up all the homes that have sold, where's that house in the middle? So the average sale price for last month was $884,000. The average list price that was on the market was $949,000, and the median price, what was in the middle, was $675,000. Now that median price is going to have a little bit of swing, more so probably than the average sale price and average list price, because it's going to be whatever falls out in the middle during that month. The previous month it was $625,000 was the median price. So last month it was $675,000 for the median price. What about our months of inventory? Well, our months of inventory is actually dropping because we're having so many sales. So our average month supply of inventory ending up last month was at 2.6 months, which is down from 3.9 the month before and 5.1 the month previous to that. So I know that from previous videos back last year, at the end of the year and the beginning of this year, we were getting a lot of comments on the channel that the prices were going to fall, that we were going to have a big crash here in Lakewood Ranch. We have not seen that yet, and believe me, if we start to see that and the market indicates that, I'm going to put that on here, because I try to be very unbiased in what my opinion is. I just try and go by the facts and not by the hype. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you find yourself coming to the Lakewood Ranch area, give me a call or fill out the form in the attached link below, and I'll be glad to get you on the calendar. I have a lot of people that come here that are either looking for new construction, resale, or that they're current residents looking to sell their property, and we'd be more than happy to help. whatever it is that you need for your real estate needs here in the Lakewood Ranch area. Mark Boehmig, Michael Saunders and Company.